I'm getting sick. Whoa, when the light is like this, my eyes look crazy. Look at them, they're crazy. Crazy eyes. Right here, that's me. Sorry about that, I'm running on 3 hours of sleep. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Bless you. You know what's rude? Having a sneezing fit in the middle of someone else's YouTube video. Rude sneezes. Actually, did you know that sneezing is actually covered in some car insurance companies? Like, oh, dude, why'd you run me over? Ah, sorry, bro, I sneezed. Don't worry, it's covered in my insurance. Totally cool. That'd be weird. In all seriousness, sneezing while driving is like the scariest shit to ever happen, ever. I think the worst is when you are in a place where it's quiet and you don't want to sneeze, and then you try and cover it up, but instead, just a horrible noise just comes out of your face, like, it's like the most embarrassing thing ever. And then everyone's looking at you like, you alright? What is going on? I think I'm gonna go now and, like, take a nap or something. So, I will talk to you whenever, internet. Okay, bye.